This one is cute. Let's keep him.
Oh, come on!
How could something so adorable be so terrible? You got car insurance, right? Buzz off. That doesn't sound good.
No, beeping is bad. Get rid of it.
I'm trying.
Throw it out the window. Throw it anywhere.
I can't get it off.
All right, I'm pulling over.
Did I get it?
No.
Ah!
Here, hold still.
It's going! It's going! It's still here. Get off me! Ha ha! Nailed it!
Sonic!
No.
Hey, come on, you're all right. Wake up. Wake up.
Did we get them? Oh, no, there they are. They're real survivors, those two.
Can we have a moment? You know, I won't miss you when you're gone. Human beings are unreliable and stupid, and I care very little about them. But my machines are diligent, relentless. They're everything to me. Huh? Monetized.
Yay!
Hmm?